The genetic key had been turned. The song within human DNA, once a silent, dormant potential, now resonated with the Ziffer's broadcast. Not as a separate signal, but as a harmonic response. For the Sci-Fi, this was the confirmation that shattered the last vestiges of their ancient detachment, or humanity. It was the beginning of a haunting. It did not come as a vision or a voice. It came as a memory etched into the species' collective unconscious, a psychic scar tearing open. The Sci-Fi, unable to speak the unspeakable, transmitted the truth of the sundering not as a story, but as the raw, unprocessed experience. They gave their children the memory carved into their own being. Across the world, people jolted awake from nightmares they could not remember. Their hearts hammering against their ribs, a scream dying in their throats. Soldiers on patrol would suddenly freeze, their eyes losing focus, seeing not the street in front of them but an impossible star-filled vista. Surgeons, their hands deep inside a patient, would falter, their instruments trembling as a wave of profound, parental despair washed over them. Dr. Eris Thorne, staring at the swirling patterns of activated code on her screen, was the first to fall. The data was no longer abstract, it was a conduit. The sequence labeled telomere regulator 7 wasn't a gene, it was a timestamp. The junk code for a protein fold was a coordinate. The memory seized her. She was not herself. She was vast. She was Sci-Fi.